Filtering using chemistry for self-continuation tells us what life is, but it doesn't tell us how life actually works. So today, the mechanism. The filtering loop has a structure. 6 steps. Input, something arrives at the system. Gate, a conditional barrier, not everything gets through. Reference, an internal state or threshold representing a continuation criteria. Comparison, the input is checked against the reference. Switch, a conditional outcome, allow or block. Action, the response that serves the self-continuation. Now let's see this happen in living systems. E. coli, a single bacterium, no brain, no nervous system. It swims in chemical environment. There's glucose somewhere. Watch what it does. It moves toward food. Directional, not random. How does a single cell with no brain and no nervous system do that? It runs the loop. Input, glucose molecules. Gate, surface receptors at the membrane bind the glucose. Other inputs don't get through. Reference, methylation state, a molecular memory of past concentration, the cell internal baseline. Comparison, does the current concentration higher or lower than the baseline? Switch, QY phosphorylation suppressed, block. Action, run, swim straight towards the food source. The bacterium didn't decide anything. It doesn't have a brain to decide with. It filtered the inputs against internal reference for self-continuation. The outcome is what biology describes as chemotaxis. But notice something. We didn't focus on naming every specific molecule. We asked what chemistry is doing, because molecules are the substrate. The filtering loop is the function. That's the framework. It runs your immune system. It runs your neurons. It runs photosynthesis in plants and mycelial signaling in fungi. It runs your attention right now, at this moment. Input, everything around you. Sounds, light, the screen, sensation in your body. Gate, your senses. Not everything gets through. Reference, what matters to you? Learned over the years. Does it relevant for your survival, your goals, this moment? Comparison, does this input matter? Is it relevant? Switch, allow. Action, focus. The only reason you are still watching this video, instead of tracking every sound in this room, every sensation in your body, is this loop operates in you right now. Bye.